A lot of things are changing in West Africa, causing problems for the most vulnerable people. At the International Federation of Red Cross and Red Crescent Societies, our teams are noticing a changing patterns of disasters, mainly due to both urbanization and climate change.
Cities are growing, the climate is changing. These two together create an explosive combination. What's happening is that people are leaving their rural areas because they cannot sustain their farming. They seek a new place, a new life in the cities. When they settle in areas that are marginal, that are not suitable for new homes. We saw this in Dakar, that was essentially growing fast during the 80s when Senegal experienced dry conditions. It turns out it was a swamp. It's the floodplain. So when rains went from scarce to normal, people were getting flooded. Now that we're experiencing extreme rainfall, like in July 2009, people get very severely flooded, water coming up from the ground. They just cannot have a decent life.
Yàlla xam ndox mi lu mu doy ndax mënuñ ci dara ndax néeg xam nga ni néeg boo demee ba amuwaar bi suulu lal bi suulu loo fooy mën a tëddati foo mën a jaar ci biir ndox mi fekk nit ñi tëdd nañ ba pare xale bi yaayam ko.
On a même des boutons sur nos pieds. On met chaque jour de l'eau de javel et qu'il y a beaucoup de moustiques. Même si tu l'imprègnes les moustiquaires, ça les empêche pas d'y entrer.
nañ ci jafe-jafe ndax fi mu ne nii balaa nawet bee ñëw. fekk nañ néeg yi def ci lu mot ay 150 000 def ci suufat yu jënd ciment ba ñu am yaakaar ne dootul génn ndox mi génn.
ah déedéet na xanaa kenn du fekk ndox mu mel nii nga di ko fàkk di ci dëkk di ci def sa ay 30 millions buñ ñuy jaay fii ñu fiy dëkk dafa rafet parce que année yi passé yëpp tawul comme taw bu mel nii xamuñu woon ne lii dinañu dal parce que ñun bu ñu am te say avenir yi doom ngay def te xam nga ne jamono ji mel nii ndegam autorités yi ñoo dimbali.
wow waaye foo dem ay 150 lañ lay wax nekk at.
diggante 2000 rek léegi daal presque chaque année nii lay mel moom daal sonn na daal fi mu nekkoon dimbali daal na sant yàlla sant la.
Et qu'on ne sait pas comment faire.
During the last flood season in Dakar, about 250,000 people affected in Dakar, and we assisted those who are more vulnerable. We are around 700 people. We gave non-food items like a blanket, soap, sleeping mat to enable them to continue life, and they ask Red Cross to provide them with houses, and we provide them with tent and shelter kit. But now it's more complicated for us to plan recovery activities. It is not really easy because of logistic issues.
And government, humanitarian organizations, everyone is overstretched in their capacity to deliver solutions.
I think it's not a question of if the whole debate on climate change. It is here with us today. The issues are here, as we have said, flooding, more frequent flooding, change in weather patterns and so on and so forth, which is affecting human beings today. So it's now that we should take the decisions in terms of helping the vulnerable communities.
fogoto defaratoo sa bopp tul kenn liggéey amatul dara amatul sunu doom yi xam nga ni xalaat nañ leen avenir bi di ñëw